All right, gang, Ron Henderson here. I'm going to go through just one stretch that I like to do. I do this stretch after stretching out my hamstrings, stretching my quads, all those different muscles. But this is a stretch that I end with. I'm just going to go straight to the stretch that I end in. And recommendation would be, if you start doing a stretch like this, only go down as far as you feel comfortable doing. Take your time with it, then come back up. And what I do is the bench that I'm sitting on, I personally do it with the bench in front of me, just so if I have trouble getting back up, if I've stretched too long and I'm a little fatigued in my legs. So on that note, I'm going to go straight to the stretch. So you want to just start off, get a distance that feels comfortable for you, and just hold that. Just hold that stretch. Yep. And when you're holding that stretch, that's the perfect time, my friends, to maybe think of a verse that you've been working on. What verse have you been trying to memorize? Is it Romans 3:23? Is it Romans 6:23? Is it Romans 10, 9 and 10? What is it? Is it John 12 or 1:12? Whatever it is, think of those verses and maybe quote those verses to yourself. It's something that's nice to do while you're stretching. Now, go down a little bit further. This is just to open you up to here, and it feels good in there. I remember the first time that I started working on these stretch had been years. I used to be a lot more limber when I was younger because I was doing all this stuff all the time, right? And then you get busy, get through busy lives, and you let things go. But I'm enjoying this stretch, and I'll just hold that, pulling nicely in there. Then go a little further out, okay? And you'll feel that stretching again, and just hold that position. So, hold it, okay? Good stretch. My friends too, while we're stretching here, I want to just share something with you. I hope that you're not going to take offense with people who are voting the party, opposite party of you. We need to love people regardless of what they're voting for. We need to respect people's, right to choose, and I certainly do. Whoever you vote for, that's your choice, okay? So, let's get along with, they talk about can we all get along? Well, we ought to be able to get along. Just treat people the way you want to be treated, and you don't have to agree with people, but respect their right to that choice. Now you notice I'm coming down a little further. Stretch it out a little bit more in there. Good stretch in there. And just hold it. And actually, when you're talking about, Scripture, it's easier to forget about the stretch thinking about Scripture, all right? A lot easier. Trust me on that one, it is. That feels good. I think go down a little further. As you can see, I'm kind of pulling my mat apart on this one a little bit, but that's all right, my friends. Get a new mat. All right, now just come together. And like I said, a little harder to get together on that. A little harder to get together. I didn't have the bench up far enough, but that felt good. All right, so you get done with that. But that felt really good inside of my legs just to get a good stretch in there. So that's just a basic stretch anybody can do. But you know what's fun? Doing it with somebody. So maybe, start that video over and get in that position. Go wherever you can go. Maybe you can only go this far out, my friends. Go that far out. And as I'm sharing the scriptures with you, maybe pull out Romans 3:23, for all have sinned, fall short of the glory of God. Okay, so I'm sharing that verse with you. So when people are talking about different people in politics and, this person lies, all that, yes, they do. We all do something. For all have sinned, fall short of the glory of God. We're all falling short. Okay, so don't forget that. We all fall short. Let's treat people the way we'd like to be treated, my friends. On that note, I hope you start stretching and start doing more for your physical health and your spiritual health. We'll see you next time. Stay fit, stay blessed, my friends.